How to fix Hulu subscription charged twice. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is get into your hulu.com, and then from there, of course, make sure that you're logged into your Disney account, right? So after doing that, first of all, identify duplicate accounts. Check if you have signed in with two different email addresses. For example, if when you do add your email address, you might actually use your Apple ID or Google Play versus directly Hulu login, right? So make sure to use your exact email address that you had used on your like original Hulu account. So check that out because sometimes when you do use the another account, you are basically like creating yourself a second account, which might made you charge twice. So after doing all of this, if it's still not working, then what you can actually do is simply try to check your payment history, and there you can review the transaction details and account charges. And lastly, if nothing helped, then try to contact your Hulu support. You can actually like provide both charge details to request a refund or duplicate billings. So yeah, that's all you need to do. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.